Which is the right washing machine? Capacity, sizing up your needs. The first and foremost consideration is the capacity of the washing machine. A smaller household might be fine with a 6 to 7 kg capacity, while larger families might need an 8 kg or even a larger capacity machine. Type: front load versus top load. The type of washing machine can significantly impact your laundry experience. Front-load machines are generally more energy efficient and gentle on clothes, but they can be more expensive. Top-load machines, on the other hand, are more affordable and easier to load, but they can be less energy efficient. Semi-automatic machines are a budget-friendly option, but they require more manual labor. Spin speed, drying time matters. A higher spin speed means faster drying times, especially in humid climates. Look for machines with a spin speed of 800 rpm or higher. Energy efficiency, save money, save the planet. Energy efficient washing machines can save you money on your utility bills. Look for machines with a 5-star energy rating. Special features, beyond the basics. Modern washing machines come with a variety of special features, such as Eco Bubble, creates bubbles to penetrate fabrics deeply for better cleaning. Inverter technology, provides energy efficiency and quieter operation. Smart connectivity, allows you to control your machine remotely. Material and durability, built to last. A stainless steel drum is more durable than a plastic one. Additionally, features like rodent protection and inbuilt heaters can extend the life of your machine. Wiring easiness, a hassle-free installation. Consider the ease of connecting the machine to a power source. Look for models with user-friendly plug points and clear wiring diagrams. Plumbing possibility, a smooth fit. Ensure the machine can be easily connected to your home's water supply and drainage system. Check for compatibility with standard plumbing fixtures and fittings.